Hello, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that can make you rich overnight trading the Forex market, the synthetic market. But right now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do your best to do that, because that is the starting point of your millionaire lifestyle. Okay, try to turn on the bell notification and try to comment in the comment section. Share this video to your network so that they can appreciate the power of this channel, and YouTube will push us to a very high audience. So today I'm going to use $300,000 plus. $300,000 plus. Are you seeing it? $300,000 plus. Real life Forex hidden strategy. Join VIP. Now you actually need to join the VIP signal. I call it WFS signal channel. You need to join to start changing your life. Okay, so let me take you to see the live account. This is real account. You see it. This is real. The profit is over $300,000. Now this signal was sent in the VIP and they are making real profit. The only red you can see is just this. It will soon turn to green. That is minor here, but let me show you all these goods. I predicted the price of goods in a couple of 2 days to come, and see what is happening from price of 1855.12 to a price of 1968.65. You see, just small lot size, we are making over $8,000 per position. Imagine this is 10 lot size, that would be over $80,000 per position, and that I might be hitting a couple of 3 millions or more than millions of dollars if I use more big lot sizes. But I tell you, most of my VIP signal users, they make more money than I make. I'm not forcing you to give me money. I'm trying to help you, because my VIP signal is very cheap. It's cheap. I can't do it for free because I passed through hell and fire to come to this level. I also render Forex courses, synthetic courses, boom and crash courses. I render courses on V75 jumps indices, step indices courses. Check down the description of this video to start changing your life. Don't die in poverty. Use that little money you have to persuade someone's powers. I can't get my knowledge, you can get my power, you can get my education free. I now have made money, I now have money. Money is dropping. There is a lot of money. I can't still give it free for you. Why? I'm just like a Forex asset. Let me tell you. Why is it that Brishmen like in Africa don't go to somebody in US like Bill Gates? Why is it that they still sell their product instead of giving it away for free? Why? That is the theory of wealth. The theory of wealth, make it so compulsory that you keep accumulating wealth unless you want to become useless and go back to poverty line. So that is why I can decide to give you a free signal, but those free signals, I don't pay attention to them. They're in my public Telegram channel. If you really want to be rich, start changing your life, you'll be asking, which strategy do I use? I don't trade blindly. I don't trade based on technical analysis alone. I trade mostly based on the economy and psychology, and then finally based on who is controlling the market, like who is controlling. That is demand and supply strategy. Are you getting what I'm saying? A lot of people have sold here because they saw a reversal, and therefore the market is gonna say no. If you look at this market this is a good USD. If you look at backwards, expert analyze market backward, just keep going backward, keep going backward. This is H4. You notice that the behavior have changed. Okay, it falls here and start making a trending situation to get back there, and then see it break here. A lot of people wouldn't have patience, because the only thing that differentiates you from failure is patience. Here, on having the patience to see where this market is going is the most important thing. If market will go up, it will go up. Even if you enter late, even if you still enter here, you win. Even entering here, you will still make profit because this market is going to hit around 2000 soon, okay, or 1980. Can still get extra pips even if you are not. The most important thing is to move the market yourself. Like you fix market yourself. How do you fix market? You use patient theory to know where the market is going, and when you confirm it's going that way, you will not support that market. You support, like, you push it more, you fully push the market, because market like people that will push it in each direction. Market don't want people that will pull it against each direction. Like if you are selling here, you are fighting this market, you are trying to show that you want to control the whole market. Who are you to control the market, whereas bankers and big investors have pushed this market? I think so. We trade with such powerful psychology. We fix market. We know who controls the market. We know who is the big boss and the banks, and we know when they are trying to do things in the market, and we actually follow them, because if you join the poor, you become poor. If you join the wealthy, you become wealthy. These people put about something like millions or billions or trillions of dollars in this market to push it. It's not easy to break a resistance. These are done by big boss and banks and big investors. Start changing your life. That's what I do. Yes, my VIP are very costly. People are saying it's costly. It's not my fault. It took me a lot of stress, a lot of years of patience and indoor analysis and all of that to come to my level. So I will never give it for free. The lifetime is $1,000, monthly is $100, and annually renewable. All of them are renewable apart from lifetime. So the annually is a couple of $840 with a couple of 40% discount. Thank you for staying with me up to this point. Bye for now.